How to download and install NFL official app. To download and install, follow the step-by-step process. First, go to your Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone. After that, go to search. Now search for NFL game. Now go to the NFL. This is the NFL official site. After that, click on install. Now it will take a few moments to download and install. Just wait. Click on open. After that, click on accept SDKs and then click on continue, and there you go. And that's how you can download and install NFL official app. Hope that this video helped you out. Like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.